All right, Fox News can now project that gubernatorial candidate Gavin Newsom, he's currently the lieutenant governor out there in California, is definitely going to be one of the top two finishers in California's jungle primary. He will advance as expected to the November election. It is too early to determine the other winning candidate because it doesn't matter party. Again, we'll see which one gets the most votes. John Cox looks like he's running strong in what we have in early returns. We're still waiting some problems in Los Angeles. Antonio Villaraigosa would actually benefit, we think, from those votes there, but he's now raising some challenges as it appears there was a printing problem and some other issues there. We'll get more details on that. Peter Ducey is digging into that.